Amazing potential. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, single wide with addition and a 2-story barn on 4.38 acres. The mobile comes complete with a generously sized family room. 11 by 24. Wood-burning fireplace, eat-in kitchen that opens up to the living room and an inside laundry room. Also included is a 42 by 32. 2-story barn, garage with 10 feet ceilings and metal roof for all your hobbies, projects and extra space for all your needs. The second floor is partially complete with 4 rooms framed out. 15 by 19, 12 by 8, 19 by 15 and 12 by 8, and insulated, also wired for electrical with 200 amp panel. Endless possibilities here. Enjoy your freedom with no deeded restrictions, no HOA or dues to pay. Peace and privacy on this property, yet just minutes away from shopping, restaurants and all the great outdoor activities Crystal River has to offer. Don't miss out to make this home your own.